So what kind of damage am I talking about? Toxins that you might breathe in or be exposed to, radiation like radon coming from the earth. You can't stop that. Off-gassing, what have you been talking about? New furniture, new carpet, new car, all that lovely smell that we associate with new stuff. Hey, those are solvents that are off-gassing. They damage our DNA.
Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease: The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. He also published another book, Eat to Beat Diet: Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Do not disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or seen in this video. Dr. William Li stresses the critical importance of preserving human DNA, the blueprint for life. DNA codes for proteins and other compounds necessary for the body to function. Damage to DNA can lead to numerous dangerous illnesses, such as infections, malignancies, and autoimmune disorders. Autoimmune disorders like lupus, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, and inflammatory bowel diseases, such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, damage DNA in circulating white blood cells due to the immune system mistakenly attacking the body's own tissues, causing prolonged inflammation and subsequent DNA damage. Cancer is another serious illness associated with DNA damage. For example, UV radiation from the sun destroys the DNA in exposed skin cells, often causing skin cancer.
DNA is not just the genetic code that makes proteins in our body, but in fact, it actually protects us against the environment. What do I mean by that? Well, look, anybody who's ever sat in traffic for a long time, on a sunny day, you're getting sunshine pouring in through your windows. Or if you're out at the beach, and you're not wearing enough sunscreen, you get ultraviolet radiation, DNA damage, mutating your skin.
Similarly, cancers of the stomach, colon, esophagus, lung, bladder, and other organs are linked to dietary and environmental factors that continually harm DNA. Precancerous conditions, such as actinic keratosis and colon polyps, show substantial DNA damage that needs repair. Certain viruses and bacteria can also infect people, altering DNA in ways that may lead to cancer. Hepatitis B and C viruses can cause liver cancer, while human papillomavirus can cause cervical cancer. Dr. Li emphasizes the crucial role of food choices in safeguarding DNA. Antioxidant, vitamin, and mineral-rich foods support the body's natural healing processes and help protect against DNA damage. This is especially important for those with limited DNA repair abilities or those undergoing treatments that damage DNA. In today's video, discover the 4 gluten-free foods Dr. Li recommends to heal the stomach, combat illness, and repair DNA. Kiwi fruit. Dr. Li highlights the numerous health benefits of kiwi fruit, particularly its remarkable ability to treat diseases, repair DNA, and improve intestinal health.
Some amazing research has been done looking at which foods can help protect our DNA. And some of them are very ordinary, like a kiwi fruit that you might eat at breakfast. That brown fuzzy ball, you cut it open, it's got this emerald green interior with a little white starburst. It's kind of tart and sweet at the same time. Well, that kiwi is packed with vitamins and antioxidants.
Kiwi fruit, with its vibrant green slices and strawberry-like flavor, is not only a great health booster, but also visually appealing on your breakfast plate. Kiwi fruit contains high concentrations of vitamin C, quinic acid, and chlorogenic acid, which have strong antioxidant properties. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA and cause various diseases, including cancer.
I remember an old video game called Missile Command, and this is where from the top of the screen, there are all these missiles that are descending down on your planet. And what you had to do is to be able to fire and try to neutralize all the missiles. And that's what antioxidants actually do. Yeah. But it's really hard to prevent all the missiles from coming in. And so occasionally you actually have one that gets through the shields and creates a crater. That's damage. And so neutralizing the incoming is like antioxidants, but building back the damaged DNA, well, that's important too, because that's like patching a pothole in the highway, in the roadside, so other cars don't have a problem on it. And so here's an example of a food, a kiwi, that can actually do that. But there are other foods that can also have varying degrees of protection of your DNA as well.
Dr. Lee mentions a study from the Rowett Research Institute in Scotland, showing kiwi fruit's effectiveness in preventing DNA damage. 14 healthy participants ate 1, 2, or 3 kiwi fruits daily, and regardless of the number, DNA damage was reduced by about 60%. Consuming 3 kiwi fruits daily significantly enhanced DNA repair activity by 66%, showcasing kiwi fruit's dual role in safeguarding and mending DNA.
And it's been shown that eating just 1 kiwi a day can actually cause your blood to be fortified to neutralize about 60% of the incoming damage from DNA. And if you eat 3 kiwis a day, okay, which is pretty easy, right? I mean, you peel it, you cut it up, you put it into a yogurt, okay? It's something that's simple, actually will help your DNA build itself back up so that damaged DNA will be repaired.
In addition to its DNA protective qualities, kiwi fruit significantly strengthens the immune system. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C, kiwi helps boost the body's natural defenses. Folate, potassium, and vitamin K in kiwi support a robust immune response, crucial for defending against chronic illnesses like heart disease and certain cancers. Kiwi fruit can help strengthen your immune system and enhance your body's ability to repair and protect your DNA. Kiwi fruit also improves gut health thanks to its high fiber content and the natural enzyme actinidin, which aids digestion and supports a thriving gut flora. The soluble and insoluble fibers in kiwi promote a healthy gut bacterial ecology, ease constipation, and regulate bowel movements. Actinidin improves protein digestion, facilitating efficient nutrient absorption. These elements support a healthy digestive system, essential for overall health, as the gut plays a vital role in immune response and nutrient absorption. Kiwi fruit's prebiotic properties promote the growth and function of healthy gut flora, crucial for optimal digestive health and impacting immune system and mental health. By fostering a healthy intestinal environment, kiwi fruit contributes to overall health and disease prevention. A study published in Clinical and Experimental Immunology examined the impact of a compound called CRISPR, found in kiwi fruit, on inflammatory responses in the stomach. Researchers used tissues and cells from Crohn's disease patients and healthy individuals. CRISPR was found to lower toxic compounds in the gut that cause inflammation and regulate mechanisms leading to inflammation. These results suggest that CRISPR from kiwi fruit may be useful in treating digestive conditions like Crohn's disease. Carrots.
Carrots are one of my favorite foods as well. Get them in the grocery store all year round. And I used to think, by the way, carrots were not that great. I used to think of them as rabbit food, right? If a pet rabbit, you feed them some carrots. But guess what? Carrots are really, really delicious. And they also have a lot of dietary fiber and carotenoids. Not surprisingly, the name carotenoids, carrot, they're similar. These carotenoids get into your body and they help feed your gut microbiome along with the dietary fiber.
Dr. Lee emphasizes the health benefits of carrots, particularly their ability to repair DNA, fight disease, and improve intestinal health. Carrots are a naturally gluten-free option, making them great for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Carrots are rich in carotenoids, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which are powerful antioxidants. These carotenoids help neutralize free radicals that can harm DNA. Beta-carotene, in particular, is converted into vitamin A, essential for DNA repair and cellular health.
And the carotenoids are also powerful antioxidant properties that can protect your DNA from damage coming from the environment. So what kind of damage am I talking about? Toxins that you might breathe in or be exposed to, radiation like radon coming from the earth, you can't stop that. Off-gassing, what have you been talking about? New furniture, new carpet, new car, all that lovely smell that we associate with new stuff. Hey, those are solvents that are off-gassing. They damage our DNA. And of course, environmental pollution. Unfortunately, we're surrounded by it. So carrots, by protecting our DNA from the inside out, actually helps us counter the effects of what we might be exposed to in the environment.
Carrots protect cells from oxidative stress, preventing DNA mutations that can lead to diseases like cancer. Researchers at the Quadram Institute Bioscience in the UK investigated the protective effects of carrot consumption on DNA. 64 male volunteers consumed 2.5 cups of carrots daily for 3 weeks. Blood tests showed that consuming carrots boosted DNA repair activity, highlighting the distinct health advantages of whole foods like carrots over dietary supplements.
Well, a study from the Quadram Institute for Biosciences in the United Kingdom looked at 64 subjects, adults, and fed them the equivalent of 2.5 cups of carrots. That's about 5 medium-sized carrots per day, all right? And by the way, the carrots were actually frozen carrots that you could buy in a grocery store. So just know it's really easy to get these carrots. And they were cooked for 10 minutes in boiling water. Then they were minced up in a food processor before being fed to the subjects. And what the researchers did is they analyzed the blood from the subjects before the study, before they ate carrots, and then 3 weeks after they were eating carrots, and then 6 weeks after that. So here's what they found. As soon as 3 weeks after starting carrot eating, the blood of the subjects in this research had more DNA repairing activity than before they started eating carrots, meaning that compared to the beginning of the research study, they had more DNA protecting power just 3 weeks later, all right?
Besides their DNA repairing abilities, carrots are packed with vitamins and minerals that boost the immune system. Carrots also contain vitamin C, which enhances immunity and helps the body fend off illnesses. By boosting immune function, carrots reduce the risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease and certain cancers. Carrots also contain polyacetylenes, natural compounds with anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Carrots are high in fiber, supporting digestive health.
How many carrots do you need to eat to activate your metabolism each day? Have an answer? Let me show it to you. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Clinical studies have shown that dose of carrots activates your metabolism.
Dietary fiber promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber in carrots supports a balanced population of gut bacteria, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, aiding transit through the digestive system. This balance is vital for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption, essential for overall health. Carrots indirectly improve immune function and reduce inflammation by promoting intestinal health. Carrots' prebiotic qualities support a balanced gut microbiota, essential for healthy digestion, nutrient absorption, and mental well-being. By fostering a healthy gut environment, carrots help prevent digestive diseases and improve overall health. A study published in the International Journal of Food Properties examined the health benefits of carrots, highlighting their role in DNA repair, disease prevention, and gut health. Researchers found that flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamins, and minerals in carrots are essential for cellular protection, illness prevention, and immune system stimulation. Carrot-derived compounds have been linked to DNA damage repair, heart disease prevention, blood pressure reduction, and liver health support. The study also explored the potential of carrot pomace, the residue from processing carrots, as a tool for making nutrient-dense foods. Rich in healthful minerals like beta-carotene, carrot pomace can be used to create nutritious food products, such as bread and snacks, offering a tasty and convenient way to include beneficial components in diets while minimizing waste. If you found value in this video so far, please subscribe and leave a comment to support the channel. Broccoli.
Broccoli rabe, kale, cauliflower, cabbage, collard greens, mustard greens. Now, these brassica vegetables contain bioactives called ITCs. This stands for isothiocyanates. Isothiocyanates, ITCs. And these are the bioactives that are responsible for the characteristic flavor of brassica vegetables. Little sulfurous, little sharp, slightly bitter taste. Bitter usually means better when it comes to your health, right? And that's what brassica vegetables do. So what do ITCs, isothiocyanates, do in the body? Well, they are potent anti-inflammatory bioactives, and they also help to improve your circulation, They improve angiogenesis, that's your body's health defenses, and they can actually improve your immune system as well.
Dr. Lee highlights the amazing health benefits of broccoli, particularly its ability to repair damaged DNA, fend off illness, and support intestinal health. This naturally gluten-free vegetable is packed with nutrients that can dramatically improve overall health. One of broccoli's most notable qualities is its high sulforaphane content, a compound with strong antioxidant properties. Sulforaphane protects cells from oxidative stress and promotes DNA repair by neutralizing free radicals. Broccoli also contains high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, which help maintain cellular health and enhance DNA repair processes. Dr. Lee cites a study by scientists from the universities of Copenhagen and Milan, involving 27 male university students who smoked over 10 cigarettes a day. Smoking, which produces reactive oxygen species, causes severe DNA damage. Participants consumed 1.3 cups of steamed broccoli daily for 10 days. Blood tests showed a 23% decrease in DNA breakage among the smokers, highlighting broccoli's protective effect. When the broccoli eating phase ended, DNA damage levels reverted to high levels, emphasizing the importance of regular broccoli consumption.
And if you want to get the most of these ITCs from brassica plants, here's a couple of things you want to do. You can cook them quickly, don't overcook them or you'll degrade the ITCs. And when you eat them, and you want to make sure they're tasty, right? You can only eat so much raw broccoli, which most people don't do. But if you blanch it quickly, saute it, then it actually becomes something really delicious. And here's what you want to do when you eat them. You want to make sure you chew them. And the reason that you want to chew your vegetables is that the ITCs, the good stuff, is locked inside the cell of the plant, right? Plants have cells, just like humans have cells, but human cells are soft and squishy. Plant cells are rigid and box-like. It's like a shoebox, all right? And you want to break that shoebox open in order to be able to release the ITCs and other enzymes. So when you chew your broccoli, what you're doing is you're breaking open the shoebox containing the ITCs, and you're releasing also an enzyme called myrosinase. And this enzyme, myrosinase, breaks down the ITCs and generates sulforaphanes. And the sulforaphanes then go on to, when you swallow them, go on to stimulate your health defenses, all right? So this is how it works.
Besides its DNA repairing abilities, broccoli is a powerful tool for disease prevention. Its strong antioxidant content, including sulforaphane, is linked to a lower risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Broccoli's anti-inflammatory properties further enhance its disease-fighting capabilities by reducing inflammation in the body, preventing diseases like arthritis and autoimmune disorders. Broccoli is also excellent for promoting gut health. Its high fiber content encourages regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, supporting a healthy digestive tract. Fiber maintains a balanced gut microbiota, essential for overall health. A healthy gut microbiome aids digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune response. Broccoli's fiber has prebiotic qualities that support the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. Broccoli also contains glucosinolates, compounds that convert into biologically active molecules during digestion. These molecules limit the growth of harmful bacteria and promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria, further enhancing gut health. Broccoli's combination of fiber and glucosinolates makes it a great food for promoting a healthy gut environment, crucial for overall health and well-being. A paper published in Molecules claims that sulforaphane in broccoli has numerous health benefits, particularly for the immune system. Sulforaphane increases the activity of the protein NRF2, which aids in the body's defense against damage and inflammation. It reduces molecules that promote inflammation, like interleukin-1V and interleukin-6. Sulforaphane is beneficial in autoimmune and inflammatory illnesses by inhibiting the synthesis of inflammatory mediators, calming T cells, and activating the AMPK pathway, reducing excessive immune responses common in chronic ailments. Sulforaphane's neuroprotective potential makes it beneficial in disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, where inflammation and oxidative stress are significant contributors to cell damage. By enhancing the body's antioxidant defenses, sulforaphane restores balance and protects brain cells. In Alzheimer's disease, sulforaphane helps remove toxic proteins and protects brain tissue from further damage. In Parkinson's disease, sulforaphane preserves dopamine-producing neurons, vital for movement and coordination.
So how do I actually like to cook them? You can steam them. Get steam of broccoli. Like in 10 minutes, you're done. Okay, you can blanch them. Blanching, as I mentioned to you, boil some water, wash your vegetables, all right, like broccoli rabe. Quickly throw them into the boiling water, all right, and in 60 seconds, fish them out, drain them. You can even rinse them under some cool water if you want to stop the extra cooking. It should be bright green, all right? Then cut them up if you want, and then you can heat up a pan and saute them, a wok to stir fry them, or you can put them into a food processor and puree them, all right? And obviously, food processors like super chewing, you're gonna get a lot of those ITCs out. All right, you can make a delicious soup or smoothie that way. Now, I actually like broccoli soup as an example. In my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I had a whole recipe for broccoli soup flavored with oregano, dried spice. Absolutely delicious. So you should check it out.
Tomatoes.
Some of you might think that tomato is a vegetable, right? But it's actually a fruit. And tomatoes are pretty wonderful because not only do they taste good, but they've actually been shown to lower the risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer. So how does it do this? Well, tomatoes contain bioactives, and the secret to health in foods is often the bioactive. One of the bioactives in tomato is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful anti-inflammatory substance.
Dr. Lee emphasizes that tomatoes, beyond being delicious, are a staple in many diets worldwide and offer numerous health advantages. Tomatoes are naturally gluten-free and packed with nutrients that aid in disease prevention, DNA repair, and gut health. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant responsible for tomatoes' red color, has been extensively studied for its ability to preserve and mend DNA. Dr. Lee states that lycopene protects DNA from ionizing radiation damage, including solar radiation.
Another bioactive in tomato is called lycopene, which is a carotenoid. Now, lycopene does a lot of different things that are beneficial for the body. One of them is that lycopene protects our DNA against damage from oxidative stress, including ultraviolet radiation, like sun damage. That's right, eating tomatoes with the lycopene can protect us against damage from the sun. That means kind of like sunscreen, but from the inside out. So, sun exposure can damage your DNA. Lycopene protects your DNA against the sun damage. And you can actually eat tomatoes in order to be able to protect yourself and protect you from the inside out from sun damage coming from the outside.
Researchers from the National Institute of Public Health National Institute of Hygiene in Poland found that lycopene significantly reduced DNA damage in white blood cells exposed to X-rays, emphasizing the importance of consuming lycopene-rich foods like tomatoes before potential radiation exposure. Tomatoes are also excellent for disease prevention. Lycopene and other antioxidants in tomatoes are linked to a lower risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. Lycopene protects cells from inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors contributing to cancer. Additionally, lycopene guards against infection-induced DNA damage. For instance, lycopene pretreatment of stomach cells reduced DNA damage and harmful reactive oxygen species caused by Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium leading to gastritis, ulcers, and stomach cancer. Tomatoes are rich in dietary fiber, essential for gut health. Fiber regulates bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting a balanced gut microbiota, crucial for overall health. A healthy gut microbiota aids immune system performance, nutrient absorption, and digestion. Tomato fiber's prebiotic qualities support the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing immune function, and potentially improving mental health. Tomatoes also have a high water content, aiding digestion and helping the body stay hydrated. Proper hydration maintains healthy mucous membranes in the digestive tract, protecting against infections and inflammation. Tomatoes are a great source of potassium, supporting muscle function and electrolyte balance, particularly in digestive muscles. An analysis published in Biology highlighted tomatoes' healthful compounds as effective allies in cancer prevention. Mediterranean diets rich in tomatoes, red wine, and olive oil can reduce cancer risk by 61%. Lycopene in tomatoes is more readily absorbed when combined with olive oil and heated.
How do you get the most lycopene out of a tomato? Well, you want to actually heat it, like cook it, saute it in a pan. And so you're actually cooking tomatoes like a tomato sauce, all right, like a sugo, and add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So here's what happens. The heat from cooking converts the chemical structure of lycopene, okay, which is natural, into a slightly different chemical structure, also natural, that your body loves to absorb. So when you cook tomatoes, you actually get more lycopene that's easier for your body to absorb. Add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You know why? Because lycopene is what's known as fat soluble, which means that lycopene likes to dissolve in oil. So when you actually cook tomato sauce, the lycopene converts into the part your body likes it, and you mix it with the olive oil, and now it really gets absorbed into your body very, very easily.
Tomatoes contain lycopene and V-carotene, crucial for cancer prevention. Lycopene, responsible for tomatoes' red color, shields cells from damage, inhibits cancer cell growth, and prevents tumor formation by stopping new blood vessels from forming. Lycopene disrupts pathways that cancers like breast and prostate use to spread, stopping cancer cells from proliferating and surviving. A 2020 review of lycopene's effects on breast and prostate cancer found that lycopene reduces IGF-1 protein levels. Lowering IGF-1 levels reduces breast cancer risk. Lycopene also influences genes regulating cell division, preventing cancer cell formation. Tomatoes are also great for gut health, thanks to their high fiber content, which promotes a balanced gut microbiota and regular bowel movements. Tomato fiber supports beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing overall digestive health. Tomatoes' antioxidants protect the digestive system from damage, reducing gastrointestinal cancer risks. The potent anti-cancer combination of lycopene, V-carotene, vitamin C, and other antioxidants in tomatoes is noteworthy. Vitamin C regulates harmful substances that may damage DNA, while ferulic acid from tomatoes inhibits cancer cell formation. Dr. William Li underscores the vital role of antioxidant-rich foods in preserving human DNA and preventing serious illnesses. By incorporating kiwi fruit, carrots, broccoli, and tomatoes into your diet, you can enhance immune function, improve gut health, and reduce the risk of cancer and autoimmune disorders.